Hello friends, I am Pankaj Joshi and welcome to my channel Technical Joshi. So friends, today we are going to study up how to make remote control switch. This is our touch switch. Are not see this video, link in description, maybe part 1 or part 2. Now we are need to some parts. First is IR receiver. The number of receiver is Tsop 1838. This is a positive point of the receiver. This is a negative point of the receiver. This is a output point of the receiver. The resistor is 100 ohm. Another resistor is 4.7k. Now remove the touch point. Now get 4.7k resistor. One terminal of the resistor is connected to the base of the BC 557 transistor. Now get the IR receiver. Now connect output point of the receiver is another point of the 4.7k resistor. Now get the 100 ohm resistor. One terminal of the resistor is connected to the positive line. Another point of the resistor is connected to the VCC of the receiver, means input of the receiver. The ground of the receiver is connected to the negative line of the circuit. The all setup is complete. See the circuit diagram and make the circuit. So friends, let's check it. This is IR Receiver. This is 4.7K resistor. This is 100 ohm resistor. One point of the 100 ohm resistor is connected to the positive line and another point is connected to the positive of the IR receiver. The one point of the 4.7K resistor is connected to the base of the transistor and another point of the resistor is connected to the output of the receiver, and ground of the receiver is connected to the ground of the circuit. The whole circuit is completed. Now let's check it. 9-volt battery is connected to the battery cap. This is our input wires. This is my connection board. This is the AC supply and my shoulder wire is connected to this board. Now all setup is completed. This remote is a TV remote. This remote is a Samsung TV remote. Now press any button. The light is on, or another press any button, then light is off. Our circuit is work wonderfully. So friends, please subscribe to my channel and like to this video and share to this video. The circuit work in 4 meter to 3 meter distance. So friends, see you in next video.